Guys, we are going home now and we are going to the other side and we will just walk. You see the weather, it's all cloudy here. You can see the clouds in that part and then very cloudy. So now we are going down and we go to this direction. It's cloudy. You cannot see the mountain. So guys, tignan niyo yung mountain, puno ng ng clouds. Yan. Tapos dito. Lakad tayo. Tignan niyo yun.
Mois de juin, c'est plein d'eau.
Ang ganda. So guys, we are done our yesterday's activity. Now we are going down and this is our way going down. I'm just showing you the view of the mountain and we go here straight. Guys, there's a lot of cow on the top of that mountain. It's all cows. They're eating the grasses and they're lucky because they have a big area to go and eat what they want. It's all cows making a lot of noise. It's in the mountain. And then this one. So beautiful, but the clouds is covering the mountain. And here there's a cow there. And there's a lot of cows in the mountain also. They're making a lot of noise. It's all cows there. Let's go. Continue walking here. The sound of the cows. There's also a cow here. So guys, everywhere there's a lot of cows. Here and there. So guys, we're still walking and then going down and we are always in the middle of this mountain. Everywhere is a mountain. Then we go here to street. It's a beautiful mountain, this one. It's a rocky mountain. Guys, now it's time to go down and it's all going down. Our way is going down to this mountain. This is our way going down. It's very rocky and very mountain. We have enough time to walk. That's it. Guys, this is our way. We are going down. It's a beautiful mountain and now we are in the middle of the mountain and we're going down. Good morning everyone, we are going down now and we are surrounded by Valley Mountain. This is our way going down and this is the view from here and there. It's a very beautiful mountain, this one. It's very clear. We are here in our way. It's Deborens in English. And then we are going down. This is the map of the mountain. There's a lot of animals like this here. And you can see here. This is our way going down that mountain. And we are lucky because it's nice weather, although it's sunny, but the weather is cold. The temperature is cold. It's near now. Okay, so we are going down here. You have to be careful because it's steep. Very steepy. And there's a people, 2 persons coming up, while us we are going down. It's very steep way going down. Yung gaano kaganda, see how beautiful this place. Then we are going down now. May dalawang babae papunta dito sa taas. You see our way going down, and we are walking in this road, that road. For the moment we are up, going down here. Then we are going down here. So beautiful. We are here now below this Rocky Mountain, and we have seen these small waterfalls. A beautiful one. Here we have to be careful because we are passing in the stone, and we have to be careful to walk in the stone so that we will not slide. There's a small river here. It was from the mountain and then going down and going there. See guys, wild plants growing in the mountain. Wow, so beautiful. And then they are going down. We are also going down now. So we are going down now. And here, there's a small house there. So guys, we've been up there, going down, and now we are here. It's a very beautiful mountain. We are now here and we continue walking, going to that direction. And you can see a lot of cows. So guys, we have a friend here who will touch the cows here. You will see. We will get closer. They're very cute. I want to touch them. They're very nice ears. Oh, no, no. I'm afraid. No, 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 no. They're very cute. Don't bite. No, don't bite. Don't lick my hand. No, 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 no. No. Just touch you. No. No. Okay. No, no. No, I'm afraid. I'm afraid they will. So beautiful. With the river, and they can drink water if they want to drink. There's another one here. He's alone. Ah, c'est femelle.
Ben oui. Ah, mais ça peut être.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. Guys, we will now continue walking. We are still going down from Valley. We are here now in the mountain of Valley, here in Switzerland. Welcome to Valley, Switzerland. We are here in the mountain of Valley and we are going down. You can go there. Guys, you see, so beautiful, and there's a lot of cows there. And the view of the mountain, it's so nice. And there's a small river down here. Guys, it's so beautiful. And then going down here is also beautiful. Let's go and walk. Pine tree is very old. So beautiful. Dami ng pine trees. A lot of pine trees here. Guys, we see a lot of friends again. They are going up. We'll pass beside them. No? We just pass there, no? No. No. Hurry up! No, no. Shh, shh. I told you.
They want the salt in the arm, huh?
There again. No, 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 no. No. Let me pass. No, 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 no. No, no. Shh. No.
Hello.
No. Let's go. This is the one fountain of the cow. They're drinking the water here when they get thirsty. So beautiful. The view of the mountain here. See guys, so beautiful. We are going down. That's the view, and that's the road. You can see now the road. But we are going to walk here so that we can see the view here. Have to be careful. So guys, you can see the view here is nice. There's a small village there. So beautiful. Guys, we can see a small lake. The name of this lake is Lac Berbronze. Very, very cute. It's just small. So guys, we are almost down. A little bit walk going down, and then we can see the small lake. We will stay for about 30 minutes there. We will just eat our lunch, our picnic, and then we go continue again. So it's so beautiful. A small lake there. So now we are here. Finally, we arrived. And we are down now. But I will take a picture of this lake. It's so beautiful. So guys, we are going there in the lake, small lake. And then we will have a rest and eat our lunch there. Just to spend our little time there and then go home. That's the flag of Valley.
Puis l'autre,
We are
le
now
flag,
here in the Valley.
Le deuxième, c'est celui de...
The Canton Vaud.
Ah non, pas du tout.
Ah, Valley, Canton Valley.
Bon, le Valais, c'est celui avec les étoiles. Mais celui avec l'ours, c'est Berne.
Ah oui. So beautiful.
Ok. Cette photo, on peut
Oui. So guys, we are now here down.
Il y a une réserve naturelle à visiter. Là, il y a la grosse pierre. On peut aller.
It's beautiful. Just a picture of this. And nice. So nice flowers here. Here in this one lake. It's beautiful. Look at that lake, it's so beautiful. And then here. We're going down now. So guys, we are going to see the lake. This is the lake of Debons here in Valais, Switzerland. Yan po ang lake. Maliit lang siya. Pero nice siya. Super nice and beautiful view.
On va aller par là-bas et dans la forêt.
Ito. So nice.
Ici, il fait chaud pour manger.
The view here is so nice. So nice. Welcome to Lake Deborons here in Valais, Switzerland. We are here now in Valais, and this place they call this Deborons. A lot of birds, and you can see the view here is so nice. Welcome to Lake Deborons, guys. We are here in Deborons, and this lake they call this Deborons Lake, and it's natural. It's a natural lake. It's just a small one, and it's located here in Deborons in the canton of Valais. So nice view here. We've been there up and then going down here. There's a small bridge here. Look, it's very cute. And with the river and the small bridge. And there, on the bridge, and you can see it's a very cute one. Just small. There's a dog there.
On peut s'installer où on veut pour manger. Stay in the